For the past 3 months now, Spectrum News has been digging into Wisconsin's shortage of public defenders. We aired a story last month where you heard directly from the state public defender and a Milwaukee County chief judge. Pay, workload, more felony cases, and fewer experienced attorneys are the crux of the problem. As Spectrum News watchdog reporter Megan Carpenter found out, the shortage prompted a 2022 lawsuit that is still ongoing.
State of Wisconsin versus Raymond Davis.
The process begins in Milwaukee County Preliminary Court.
This case is set for a preliminary hearing. Defendant is in custody.
39 cases to get through.
No attorney has been appointed.
More than half of the defendants entitled to a public defender don't have one assigned to their case.
An attorney has not yet been appointed. An attorney has not been appointed. An attorney has not yet been appointed.
Some of them are among the more than 300 in Wisconsin's most populated county who are waiting over a month for state-appointed counsel, often from behind bars.
You have a right to have an attorney.
Milwaukee County Chief Judge Carl Ashley says it's a problem.
It's a struggle for the people accused of the offenses. It's a struggle for the alleged victims.
That's significant.
In October, I learned from State Public Defender Jennifer Bias that this problem is far from recent.
We had started addressing it about 10 to 15 years ago in our northern counties, and it's now spread south.
And it stems from far more than a single cause.
Pay, definitely. Workload, certainly. And I think those two are tied for the top spot.
Deemed a near crisis, especially in Wisconsin's northwestern counties, the public defender shortage prompted a lawsuit in 2022.
We filed this lawsuit with 8 or 9 folks as plaintiffs.
Former public defender Hank Schultz is among the lawyers who filed it in Brown County Circuit Court.
Brown County, it kind of is a representative county. It has had a history of problems getting counsel for some time.
According to the lawsuit, the problem is worse than ever.
One of them that was named in the lawsuit waited a year. And the problem is that there's lots and lots of people all over the state, hundreds, thousands of people waiting for lawyers on a regular basis.
For over 2 years, they've been gathering evidence to get court certification, which determines that the case meets the requirements of a class action lawsuit, meaning it represents a larger group of people affected by the same issue. The lawsuit's final 388 pages show only some of that proof. A long list of defendants across 25 counties whose constitutional right to a speedy trial was violated.
Some of those folks are not guilty.
Defendant is in custody, qualifies for public defender representation. An attorney has not yet been appointed.
A sad reality that some people in courtrooms across the state are living, according to Judge Ashley.
I didn't do it. I want my day in court. I may be in custody. I got family members that rely on me, and yet I'm in custody for something that I didn't do.
First degree reckless injury, use of a dangerous weapon.
And the challenge only grows as the felony caseload continues to increase.
And unless we take a look seriously at demand and somehow reduce the number of cases that are coming in, we're going to continue to have this problem.
State of Wisconsin versus Ricky Velez.
A problematic pattern of cases being heard.
No attorney has been appointed.
Just to be postponed.
The matter is adjourned for cause.
Due to the lack of publicly funded lawyers available to represent those who can't afford one. For Spectrum News, I'm Megan Carpenter.
Megan, thank you. Schultz says the goal of the lawsuit is to get a lawyer appointed within 14 days to any criminal defendant who qualifies for one. He also said that time frame could be adjusted.